What if I told you that the secret to unstoppable plant growth is hiding in your fruit bowl right now? Those banana peels you've been tossing away are a goldmine of nutrients that can transform your garden into a thriving jungle of life. Whether you're growing vegetables, fruit trees, or even houseplants, banana peels can become your ultimate growth weapon. And today, we're revealing 5 simple, powerful ways to turn them into liquid fertilizers that will supercharge your plants from the roots up. No chemicals, no fancy tools, just pure natural power straight from your kitchen. So grab your peels, a bucket, and let's turn waste into wonder. Before diving into the recipes, let's understand why banana peels are such incredible plant boosters. They're loaded with potassium, phosphorus, calcium, and magnesium, all the essential nutrients plants need for strong roots, vibrant leaves, and abundant blooms. Potassium helps regulate water movement and boosts plant immunity. Phosphorus fuels root growth and flowering. Calcium strengthens cell walls, while magnesium enhances chlorophyll production for that rich green color every gardener loves. What makes banana peel fertilizer even better is its slow, natural release. Instead of overwhelming your plants like chemical fertilizers do, these natural concoctions feed them gradually, building long-term soil health and sustainable growth. Now let's get straight to the 5 game-changing banana peel fertilizer methods you can start using today. For this first powerhouse fertilizer, you'll need peels from about 12 bananas. Chop them into small pieces to help them blend easily and release nutrients faster. Place the chopped peels in a blender, add a little water, and blend until the mixture reaches a smoothie-like consistency. This breakdown process is crucial. It makes all those nutrients instantly available for your plants to absorb. Next, pour about 2 liters of this banana mixture into a 5-gallon, or approximately 19-liter bucket. Fill the rest of the bucket with 10 liters of non-chlorinated water. Chlorine can harm beneficial microbes, so using filtered or rainwater is best. Finally, add 3 liters of compost tea to the mix. Compost tea is packed with living microorganisms that help plants absorb nutrients more effectively. Stir the solution well, and let it sit for 24 hours before using. This gives time for the microbes to activate and start breaking down the banana matter. Once ready, pour this fertilizer directly around the base of your plants. Use it once a week for vegetables, flowers, or indoor plants that need an extra growth boost. If you want a quick, ready-to-use fertilizer, this banana peel tea is perfect. Take 5 banana peels and cut them into small strips, place them in a large jar and pour in 1 liter, or about 4 cups, of water. Let the mixture steep for 48 hours, stirring occasionally to ensure all the nutrients are extracted into the water. After 2 days, strain the liquid and dilute it with another liter of plain water. The result is a mild, nutrient-rich tea that's gentle enough for delicate plants like herbs, lettuce, and houseplants. Use this banana peel tea once every 7 to 10 days as a foliar spray, or pour it directly into the soil near the roots. You'll notice greener leaves and stronger stems in just a few weeks. Here's where things get even more exciting. A fermented banana peel fertilizer that packs a microbial punch. In a 2-liter container, combine 5 banana peels, 2 tablespoons of molasses, and 2 liters of non-chlorinated water. The molasses acts as food for beneficial bacteria, which help break down nutrients and make them more available to plants. Cover the container loosely and let it ferment for 3 to 5 days in a warm, shaded spot. Stir it once a day to prevent any bad bacteria from forming. Once the mixture develops a mild, sweet smell, not sour, strain it and dilute it with 2 liters of water. Use this fertilizer once every 2 weeks for fruiting and flowering plants such as tomatoes, peppers, and roses. The microbial activity and high potassium content will help produce bigger, juicier fruits and more vibrant blooms. If you grow acid-loving plants like blueberries, hydrangeas, or azaleas, this banana peel vinegar fertilizer is your go-to option. Fill a glass jar halfway with banana peel pieces and top it up with apple cider vinegar. Let it sit for 1 week, shaking it gently once a day. The vinegar helps extract nutrients while lowering the pH, perfect for acid-loving species. After a week, strain the liquid and mix 1 tablespoon of the banana vinegar with 1 liter of water before applying. Water your plants with this solution once every 2 weeks. It helps maintain soil acidity while providing essential minerals that keep these plants healthy and vibrant. For gardeners who want a complete balanced fertilizer, this final recipe combines two natural superfoods, banana peels and eggshells. Start with 6 banana peels and 5 crushed eggshells. Blend them together with 2 liters of water until smooth. Eggshells are rich in calcium and trace minerals, perfectly complementing the potassium and phosphorus from the peels. Pour the mixture into a container and let it sit uncovered for 24 hours to allow the nutrients to infuse into the water. Afterward, strain the liquid and store it in a sealed bottle. Before applying, dilute with an equal amount of water, 1 part fertilizer to 1 part water. Use this mixture once a week on tomatoes, cucumbers, flowering plants, and even indoor greens. It promotes stronger stems, lush foliage, and continuous blooming throughout the season. Each of these methods taps into the natural power of banana peels to provide essential nutrients without relying on harsh chemicals. They enrich the soil, support beneficial microbes, and help plants grow stronger from the roots up. Unlike synthetic fertilizers that may cause nutrient burn or imbalance, banana-based fertilizers are gentle, safe, and sustainable. When used regularly, you'll notice not just healthier plants but also richer, more fertile soil. This approach builds long-term garden health. A foundation for year-round productivity and beauty. Banana peels are no longer kitchen waste, they're your garden's best-kept secret. With these 5 powerful liquid fertilizers, you can feed your plants naturally, boost their growth, and keep your garden thriving without spending a dime. Whether you're tending to a small balcony garden or a full backyard farm, these DIY recipes will give you visible, lasting results. So next time you eat a banana, don't throw away the peel, turn it into plant food, and watch your garden explode with life and color. And if you love this guide, make sure to subscribe to Crop Corner, give this a thumbs up, and share it with your fellow gardeners. More powerful, practical gardening hacks are on the way, so stay tuned and keep growing greener every day.